I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Hello people, good morning from Chitkul. Today is my last day in Chitkul and I'm heading to Kalpa today. So I have a bus at 9:30 from Chitkul that goes to Sangla. Then I take another bus from Sangla to Rekongpio, from Rekongpio to Kalpa. So I hope I reach there before the sun sets because I need to find a place to crash for the night.
I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting?
Hello, I'm at Sangla and I was supposed to go to Rekongpio to catch a bus to Kalpa, but looks like the 12 o'clock bus which is supposed to be there is not coming today. So I'm going to take a bus from Sangla to Karcham and then Karcham to Rekongpio and then Rekongpio to Kalpa. So one thing when you're traveling like this using public transport, always make sure that you leave early in the morning because changing these buses, and second, when we were coming from Chitkul to Sangla, our HRTC bus broke down. So hello, I'm at Kalpa and I'm waiting for a bus to Rekongpio. Also just realized I missed taking off my shoes from one of the buses in HRTC.
Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can't.
Hello people, I've reached Rekongpio and I've decided that I'll stay here today because it's starting to drizzle and by the time I reach Kalpa it'll probably be dark, so I'm just staying here. So I'm in Rekongpio and I couldn't find a place which was less than 8,000 rupees, and that was a room that made me feel claustrophobic. So I decided that I will go to Kalpa and stay there. So yeah, finally reached Kalpa and it does feel like a gift to not make a decision to stay in Rekongpio because this looks much better. There's also internet connectivity and I've got to find a place here. So I found this place and a room is about 600 rupees. Online it says it's a homestay, but it's just like a hotel room, and I can actually take it, but I think this time I'm going to try and find a homestay. So yeah, also these are wheat leaves, so still trying to find a homestay. So I reached this homestay and there is no one here. I called on the number that's mentioned. So this was my room and this homestay is called as Village View Homestay. This is my host, Mr. Rajkumar Negi,
Hello, hi.
and he's a great host. So that peak is Kinner Kailash, and the locals told me that I'm quite fortunate to actually be able to see this clearly because mostly it's covered in clouds. So there is something known as a sheep jam that happens in the hills, and this is what it looks like. Namaste. So I'm headed to a viewpoint which is popularly known as Suicide Point. It's about 3 kilometers from Kalpa. You can hire a cab if you're lucky and your timings match. You can also get a private bus that goes there, or you can walk. So I've decided to walk, and it feels like a good choice that I've made because I'm practically walking through large pine trees, and the view is amazing. So this is one thing I'm trying to do while I travel, is to travel sustainably. And how do you travel? So I've reached the Suicide Point, that place. So I've reached a village called Roghi, which is almost a kilometer from the Suicide Point. This is also the sort of a last village this side. So let's see what's Roghi all about. So I'm at Roghi and I met a few locals. They're showing me how to pick up the peaches. So कौन से वाले उठाने हैं?
ये दाना वाला उठाना।
अच्छा
हाँ जो दाने दाने हैं
हाँ जी
उसको उठाना।
Okay. So I met a few locals and they told me that I can pick up peaches. So I'm not going to pluck any, but there are a lot of them just lying. So I'm going to see if I can forage. So I'm picking up some fallen peaches, and I just hope I don't fall because this is the path. So when you're trying to pick one up, you gotta make sure that they're soft. Like this one's not soft, it's pretty hard, so it's not going to be sweet when you eat it. So I'm going to leave it here and try and see if I can find a few other. Okay, all right. Looks dirty, but it's pretty soft. There's another one. This one's soft as well. Yay! हेलो जी, नमस्ते। हाय, क्या नाम है इसका?
डॉगी।
डॉगी, हाय।
निकालो फोटो निकालो।
हाँ।
फोटो निकालो। ये खाता भी है।
हाँ।
खाता भी है।
अच्छा, क्या खाता है?
आदमी को खाता है।
बाप रे।
दान मारती है।
अच्छा।
देखो फोटो निकालो।
हाँ जी। So I don't know where I'm going in Roghi Village. It almost seems like the end now. I can't really see any houses or so, but the view is definitely worth it. I'm in Kalpa and I came to a local eatery to eat some local food. Here is the owner, and he runs this place called Dinesh Bhojanalay, which serves really nice rajma, dal, and soft and fluffy and hot chapatis. So when you're in Kalpa, this place is just near the bus stand, so you can come here and eat some good meal. Namaste.
नमस्कार बेटा
Hello people, good morning from Kalpa. Today I'm leaving Kalpa and I'm heading to Nako. So it's about 6 a.m. right now, and the homestay that I stay at, our host has agreed to drop me to Rekongpeo, and from Rekongpeo there's a 7 o'clock bus to go to Nako. The next bus is at 1 o'clock. So if you're in Kalpa and if you're planning to go to Nako, leave early. Also, that's the view and I'm gonna miss it. So